In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a single record from Airtable, so you can give someone access to exactly one piece of information without exposing your entire base. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to airtable.com. Once you're there, click the Login button and sign into your account. You'll be taken to your Workspace, so go ahead and open the base that contains the record you want to share. This could be a customer entry, a project task, or any other record you need to send to a colleague or client. Now, find and select that specific record. You can do this by clicking on the row in your grid view, which will highlight it. Next, open the Record Details panel, usually by double-clicking the record or clicking the expand icon that appears when you hover over it. This gives you a full view of all the fields and information inside that record. Look for the Share button or the Sharing option. It's typically found near the top of the Record Details panel, sometimes represented by a share icon. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll see an option to generate a shareable link if one isn't already available. Airtable will create a unique URL that points directly to this one record. Once it's generated, copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can send that link to anyone you want. Paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever you communicate with your team. Before you hit send, take a moment to verify that the sharing settings match your intended access level. You can choose whether the person can view the record only, or if they can comment or edit. Double-check that you haven't accidentally enabled broader permissions. Once you're satisfied, you're all set. Airtable saves the sharing settings automatically, so there's nothing else to configure. A couple of important tips to keep in mind. First, always confirm that the shared record does not contain any sensitive information you don't want others to see. It's easy to overlook a hidden note or a private field. Second, test the shared link yourself before sending it out, just to make sure it opens correctly and shows the right record. Finally, remember to review your sharing permissions regularly and disable or update shared links when they are no longer needed. This keeps your data secure. And that's it. You now know exactly how to share a single record from Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.